Okay, is there a number that is exactly one more than its cube? So what we want to do is we want to say if there is such a number that's going to satisfy the following equation. If we have x cubed plus 1, which is equal to x. So now let's set this equation equal to 0. So by subtracting x to both sides, so we have x cubed minus x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now let's call this x cubed minus x plus 1 a function. So we can say that that is f of x, which is equal to 0. So now let's pick two values. So we want to find out what happens when we let x equal -2. So we want to find out what is it when f of -2 is plugged into that equation. So we get -2 cubed minus a -2 plus 1. And so that equals -5, which we can see is less than 0. And then let's pick a value, x is equal to -1. Let's plug that in. So f of -1 is equal to -1 cubed minus -1 plus 1, which gives us +1, which is greater than 0. So what else do we notice then about this function? Well, we can see that x cubed minus f of x plus 1 is a function, and it is continuous, so we can note that. So we can see that f of x is polynomial and therefore continuous. And so therefore we can say that the intermediate value theorem tells us that there is a number C that is between -2 and -1, such that f of c is equal to 0, so that c is equal to c cubed plus 1.